Okay, so just wanted to do one example of one where you've got variables on both sides. It's really the same thing. You just have to start by moving everything to one side of the equation, or one side of the inequality. So on the left-hand side, I'm going to go ahead and distribute. This is going to give us 4x squared minus 2x is greater than or equal to this stuff. Then I'm going to move all the stuff that's on the right-hand side. I'm going to move it over to the other side. So move the 6x squared over by subtracting it. Move the 12 over by adding it. And on the left-hand side, there's really no place to put the 12, so it's like 0 plus 12. All right, subtract the x squareds, and you're going to get negative 2x squared. You'll still have a minus 2x, and then the plus 12 is just going to show up on the left-hand side. Okay, so I'm going to divide by negative to change my leading coefficient, and it looks like they're all divisible by 2. So I'm going to divide all these by negative 2. It's going to leave me with x squared plus x. And then 12 divided by negative 2 will be negative 6. Oh, yeah. And then I need to flip my inequality symbol because I divided by a negative. All right, whenever we go to factor this thing, or to solve it anyway, it's going to be two numbers that multiply to 6 but subtract to 1. And that's going to be 2 and 3. The 3 needs to be positive. The 2 needs to be negative. All right, my solutions, the places where the function is equal to 0 is going to be at 2 and at negative 3. All right, so graphically, this thing is going to be crossing the x-axis at negative 3 and at positive 2, and it's going to be opening up. All right, what I'm looking for are the places on this function where it is less than or equal to 0. So that's going to be all this region where it's below the x-axis. Okay. So my answer is going to be from negative 3 to positive 2. Any number between negative 3 and positive 2 is going to represent my solution. That's my answer in interval notation. If I want to do that in algebraic notation, it'd be negative 3 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2. All right, so same thing. You just got to move everything over to one side first, and yep, that's it.